Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I'm going to be planning the week of December 10th in my personal wide ring bound planner. I'm going to be using this adventure kit from Scribble Prints Co. It is an ultimate kit, so way too many stickers to use in my personal wide, but that's okay. We are leaving for vacation this week. I am so excited, so I decided to bust out this travel kit. I've had this like forever. I love this kit so much. It's so pretty, but I have so many travel kits that I was like, I have to pick one. Anyway, so I just decided to use this. I tried to pick one that didn't look like international travel because we're not going international. We are just headed back to the East Coast to visit family, but I am really super excited about that. I am going to be using my same inserts as always, which is two different inserts from Jesenia's Printables. The first one is this like weekly overview, horizontal overview with listing, and then this personal wider plus week on 2 pages, which I print back to back. And I am going to be bringing in some gorgeous Simply Gilded washi and a little bit of gold foil. I'm trying to mostly use things in the kit since this is such a large kit, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in. So I'm going to start off by sectioning off the side parts in the skinny washi. Apologies if I am like gesturing a lot. This was originally going to be a talk through video, but it just was not happening. I don't know what I was thinking, but it got interrupted too many times, and so I just had to switch over. I am grabbing these numbers from Wild Summer Designs. I totally forgot to do any date numbers last week and I ended up just writing them in, which is like not my fave, but so I did pull out these. I originally bought these by accident, and now they've like, because I thought they were on clear paper, but they weren't, and they're like, she has numbers that are super cheap because she does like amazing sales. But now I think next time she has them, I'm going to pick them up again because now I end up using them every week and I am almost out of gold. Anyway, I'm doing a Happy Mail tracker on the sidebar. It's super important this week because I have so much Happy Mail coming. My Simply Gilded pre-sale with my 12 Days of Christmas is sitting in pre-shipment, and I like cannot wait to get it. And I so want it to be here before we leave for vacation, which is on Friday. So fingers crossed that it starts moving. I am pretty close to the Simply Gilded office because I am in Texas, so it usually gets here pretty quickly. But UPS has been super terrible lately. Anyway, I am also putting down some headers from Rose Colored Days and then flipping over to do the base on the other side. And I had these date covers from Rose Colored Days that I wanted to use. I didn't want to use the date strips because I didn't think they would like fit across, although they might have, I'm not really sure. But anyway, so I just decided, this is a really old Scribble Prints Co. kit. It's actually funny because I thought I wasn't like used to the new format of kits, but then I couldn't find anything while I was doing this kit. So apparently I am used to the new format of kits now. But anyway, I like these a lot, and they're discontinued now, but they're like kind of hard to match with kits. So whenever I have a kit that they match, I try and use them. And then I couldn't find the heart checklists. So I decided to use these because I never use these, but then I found them, but then I decided to just go ahead and use these heart checklists anyways, because I thought they were really cute. And just, this is like a very white spacey spread it turns into because like all the marble. So it's like super hard to see. And I just thought that looking out the window was really cute since Friday is the day that we're flying. And I actually remembered to go every other day with the heart checklist this time, except for that I put two on Tuesday by accident. Anyway, although I do have a lot to get done on Tuesday, so that wouldn't have like been totally a miss. But anyway, first up, Monday is my husband's birthday. We're not really like doing anything special, but you know, it is his birthday, so I'll mark it. We went out to like a fancy lunch this weekend. That was actually pretty successful, like with the kids behaving and eating and having a good time and being good listeners and all that fun stuff. But anyway, and then also Monday afternoon, we have a mice appointment with the house. It was like ongoing saga. I had to get like super aggressive on the phone, and like the owner of the company is now coming out because I mean, I'm not like really an aggressive person by nature. I'm like not confrontational, but like in those kinds of situations, like car sales or like having to deal with bad customer service, I can get like kind of aggressive. And we paid these people a lot of money, and it's like supposed to be guaranteed. And now I feel like we're still having ongoing problems, and everybody says something different every time they come out. So I was just like, I need a manager. Anyway, and then I also need to pack lunches, and as well, I have some paperwork that I need to get done. So I put that laptop, which is from Artbox Stickers. I'm using a lot of icons from the kit and stuff this week. I tried to pull out just like a fairly minimal amount of like foil and I don't think any character stickers, but gotta have a little bit of foil. Anyway, my daughter has school on Tuesday, and basically I want to do like a big batch of filming on Tuesday and then just like finish anything that needs to be finished on Thursday, while those are the 2 days my daughter are in school and I'm obviously not working right now. So I just like want to finish that up so that I have like nothing. I feel like good. I have videos that'll take me like sort of into January to give me a chance to adjust once we get back and everything. So, which I am in good shape for. But I have a couple of last things, including the flip through of this planner, which need to get filmed this week. And then Tuesday was trash day. I also put down an icon for that. And then on Wednesday, I actually have a periodontist appointment, which anyway, I have like a lot of semi-cosmetic dental work that was done while I was in high school. And I think I'm going to need to get it all redone, which is horrible. Anyway, so I have a periodontist appointment. So we have are having the nanny coming, but I can't have her like just come for 30 minutes. So while I go to this consult, so I think I might get my nails done as well because like I definitely deserve that. So yeah, and then I also need to pack lunches, and then as well, I was just putting that up top to mark my nanny hours since that's the only day like she's coming this week. And then Thursday, my daughter has school again, and I'm gonna do some filming again, and I also need to take like a bunch of Instagram pictures. I want to take like a bunch of Washi Wednesday pictures and like all the like TN sneaks and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, take a bunch of Instagram pictures, and also I can do a lot of Washi Wednesday pictures while my nails are looking good after having gotten them done, and do probably just a little bit more filming. Hopefully I'll be mostly done, and yeah, and that's it. And then on Friday, our cleaning people are coming, and I actually have to like leave them like their holiday card and like a list of things because they are like closing up the house for us, and which is nice. And then we are flying, and then I realized I forgot to pack suitcases, which is going to happen on Thursday. We're very last minute packers. And then on Friday, Friday we're leaving. We're going away. I have no idea what we're doing this weekend. We will be in Philly with our families. Super exciting. So I just gave myself a half box both days. And then I'm going to put like a little checklist on Saturday. I'm sure there'll be like last minute things we need to pick up or first minute things, I guess, once we get to my dad's house. Although we like try and send diapers and stuff like that ahead with like Amazon and like Target and stuff. It's super easy. But anyway, and then I left myself a little flag that wasn't for anything in particular. I'm just like putting stuff down on the weekends, and I will like fill it out as I go. I just like to not have to do any stickers in this except for like when I'm doing the stickers, if that makes sense. But then I also realized I've forgotten, like, once I get to the bottom here, I'm going to realize that I, like, forgot some things throughout the week that I need to add back in. So I'm going to go, like, super minimal with the washi this week and just use, like, one thin one so that I can fit in the other things I want to fit in. And then I just grabbed that dino and just, like, marked, like, sleep in because, like, that's a goal. And usually after we've traveled, the kids, like, need to catch up on a lot of sleep and stuff because they'll, like, be all discombobulated, plus grandparents are so exciting. So anyway, I just grabbed like this confetti dots washi from Simply Gilded to put at the bottom there so that I could fit in the other things that I need to do because I never got to go to the post office last week because I'm still waiting for one last thing, which is getting delivered today. It's out for delivery as we speak. So I'm going to go to the post office this week and drop off my Planner Christmas Friends planner presents, whatever you want to call them. And then as well, I didn't put in my videos, so I went ahead and put that in Tuesday. This will be up, and on Friday I'm gonna have a video. I'm hoping that it's gonna be the TN, this like my ring bound setup, like this setup that I'm planning in right now, but if I might not be able to edit that in time, so if not, I have something else that I can do instead. And on Sunday will be my Erin Codron spread, and that'll be my last one that I'm posting for a while, the last like kind of plan with me that's going to be up on the channel for a while. I still have tons of fun videos, including an office tour, my sticker kit collection, some crafting videos. I have so much fun stuff that's going to come out through December, but I am going to be taking a break with plan with me's until next year, and I'll catch you up on memory spreads spreads and go back to regular planning when we get back from our vacation. Anyway, like I said, I don't know if I said this yet. I have this ongoing saga that I've been documenting on my Instagram stories about spray painting my rings for this planner gold. So I don't have my rings in the planner right now which is why I'm just filling this out now because they weren't dry yet. The saga is still ongoing, so you can keep up with my Instagram stories if you want to know how that's going. It's all saved to my highlights. But so I am just filling this. I just decided to fill this out since I knew I wasn't going to be able to like take the picture while I was filming this because, like I said, my rings were painted. And then I'm just using the deco to decorate the side. But anyway, I think I'm going to be able to make it work, but it's actually Monday while I'm recording this voiceover, and I haven't been able to get my rings back in because there's just like an ongoing drama with the gold paint. And so I actually just put in my like a set of rings from another planner. I swapped them in so that they're silver again, and I'm trying my very best to make the rings in this planner gold. And you will find out either on my Instagram or on the flip through of this if you like those. So anyway, that is it for this week, and I am going to close it out by putting it back in my planner. Okay, that is everything. I just popped this back in my planner. I grabbed my extra set of rings. My painting the rings gold saga is ongoing, so you can stay tuned to my Instagram stories. I've been saving everything to highlights to see if I can make that work. I did all of my writings in the pen gem that I keep in this planner. The flip through of this coming soon. I'm waiting for one thing that is going to be delivered today. I think my writing cut off at the end, but that is just what I have so far. Here's what I have left from the kit. So a good amount. This was a very large ultimate kit, so I have plenty of stuff left, and those will be really easy to mix with another kit. A bunch of little things, some washi, all of this page, and all of the heart checklists. So that is everything for this week. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe and check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans to keep up with everything going on in my planners. Bye!